Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create your Discord account. For that you have just go to your Discord app. You can see register or login. I'll just click on register. You can register your ID with your phone number or email address. I'll just click on email address here and type my email. And we have to just click on next. We have to give a username here and set a password and click on next. We have to give our birth date here and click on done and then create an account. We have to verify our process with the captcha. Click on verify. This is done for security purposes. And yes, it is about to get created. We have to click on get started. We have to verify our phone number here and click on next. We can add our friends here. I'll just click on skip here. And yes, our account is created here. If you guys like our video, then you can just click on like and subscribe button. Thank you.